In order to make $10,000 a month, you need an income stream that makes you $350 per day. And this is way more in reach than you may think. There's so many different ways to make money online. And whether you're really busy in your life or just flat out lazy, I wanted to come up with the easiest way to start an online side hustle with the least amount of money as possible that also doesn't involve you in being some kind of influencer or without you having to spend tons of money or put in a bunch of work in upfront. And to start this side hustle today, we're going to be using the power of AI to make it all happen. And even if you want to put a little bit of work in, it's worth it because I've learned in my own life, the more money you make, the more lazy you can actually be in your life. Over 2.6 billion people worldwide shop online, which is 33% of the global population. This number increases every single year, and it's only gonna grow. I've already got a chunk of this, and I want you guys to get a piece of this as well, which is why I made this video today. And it's so much easier to start than you guys might think. And tons of people are starting this side hustle after watching my YouTube channel and trying it themselves, and they are seeing so much success. And if they can do it, why can't you? This new AI tool will build you a fully functioning online store packed with winning products that you can start selling online right away. And the best part of this is that you don't actually have to do any of the shipping or inventory holding yourself. The supplier will do all the work for you and you actually get to keep 100% of the profits. For your convenience, I linked this AI tool at the top of my description box down below. I also put it in the top comment for you guys. Once you click that, it will bring you to this page. So once you're here, you're gonna see this and just go ahead and click on Build My Free Store. Here, you're gonna just fill in your name, email, and password. Then just click Next. The first step to this is picking your niche, and don't worry if you don't have a niche picked out yet, just click on I'm not sure. Otherwise, we're just gonna click on the pets niche for today's video. And when you're done, just click on Done. So now it's just gonna let you choose some banners for your homepage. So you can go ahead and click whatever banners you want here. Then just click Done. Now this is where you are going to create your Shopify account. This AI store builder only works with Shopify. So go ahead and just click on Access Shopify. And don't worry, all the instructions are here if you get stuck. Here you're gonna just enter in your email then after clicking that link, and then just click Start Free Trial. Just make sure that you do it this way. Even if you have an already Shopify store that maybe you set up a long time ago, just make sure that you set up a brand new one through this link to make sure that this AI store builder will work right. So then you're gonna just skip through these questions on Shopify, select your region, click Next. Then it's gonna bring you back to the Shopify dashboard. When you're done, go back to the Build Your Store tab and then just click on Done. So now we are going to link your Shopify store. So go down here and just click on Access Shopify. It's then going to take you to the page that it needs you to be on in order to access this for this step. So now we're back on Shopify and you're just going to go ahead and click on Online Store. Then you're just going to click View Your Store. This is going to pull up your store as to what it's at right now, which is going to be basically nothing. And you're just going to copy this link from here. So just click Copy. Go back over to the AI Store Builder and you are just going to paste that store URL into this here. Then just click Save. Then after that, just click Done. Now you're just gonna follow these steps to make sure that you pick a plan with Shopify. So just go ahead and click on Access Shopify again, and you can get this for literally $1 for your first month, so it's perfect for beginners. Go ahead and just fill out all this information, then it's gonna take you back to Shopify. So after you submit your information here and you subscribe to one of the plans, you can pick one of the more just basic, cheap plans. You don't need anything fancy. So then go back to the store builder and then just click Done. So now we need to allow this AI system to work within your Shopify account.
So now we just need to install the Build Your Store app on your Shopify account. So go over here and just click on Install App. Then just click on Install App again, and you're gonna be all set with this part.
So now we're gonna just click on Customize My Store, and now it's customizing our store for us. This will just take a few minutes. So now we have our online store built for us completely free with this AI store builder. And it's looking so good. You guys remember we picked the pet niche, so it loaded a bunch of products here on the store already in the pet niche. And it just customized our whole store to just make it look so much more user-friendly and professional. You can even see that they even added a bunch of the product photos, the descriptions of the products are here, and they even added reviews for these products as well. So if you go back to Shopify, you click on Online Store, you click on Themes, and then you click customize, you're able to now customize this store up even more. So say that your pet niche account, you rather call it after your dog Pogos. You could call it Pogo Shop. You could just honestly just change up whatever you want. But the most hard part of customizing an online store that looks professional, all of that part is done for you. So you are now ready to go. You can just make little changes and your online store is ready to start selling. Now you will notice if you go back to the AI store builder, right after it customizes your store for you, it gives you the option to sign up for AutoDS. This is how you are going to be able to keep these winning products in your store and for you to have access to even more winning products that have fast shipment times through this platform. And in case if you're wondering if it's worth it for you to have AutoDS, I'm gonna walk you through the platform and how it looks right now. So you will notice here that there's already products imported into your store and they're automatically imported here through a tool called AutoDS. These are products that have a high chance of selling based on current market trends. And if you don't already know what AutoDS is ideal not only for finding products to sell in fast shipment times, they also just help you to automate your entire online business journey. They have a huge library of products to sell in your online stores with fast shipment times. I also put the link down below in my description box for an entire month free with AutoDS, so you can set it up through the AI store builder. That's probably going to be easier and they should still give you the discount there. So there's 3 main product research sections that AutoDS has, which is the handpicked products tab, the trending products tab, and the ad spy. The handpicked products is where you can find all the products that AutoDS has available, and you can see that they have a bunch of different categories here. You can narrow down your search by country, price range, and category. And they also have this fast shipping button, which will show you all the products with the fastest shipment times. These products have crazy fast shipment times. Some of these are around 2 days. Actually, most of them are. And they also update this daily, so you can always find new products there. And even if you find your product elsewhere, you can also import it manually from over 25 supported suppliers and request for a quote that will give much faster shipment times as well. So when you pull up a product that you're interested in, you can scroll down here and see all the different data and insights. It shows you the profit of the product, who the target audience is, and even shows competitors that are selling it right now. They also have this feature called the Ad Spy, which is a tool that allows you to oversee active TikTok ads, Facebook ads, and content that is performing well on the platforms. So you can really see like what's trending. Now you have your done for you online store ready to go. And you don't even have to come up with a marketing strategy yourself because I got you. The most important thing with online business is to be patient. My first month when I started my online store, I literally got no sales. But my second month in, I then had a $30,000 month. I created an entire free course on my YouTube channel all about getting sales with $0. There are multiple lazy methods in that free course that you guys can choose and follow, which will bring in the sales to this online store. I also have an entire free course dedicated to this business model as well. So if you want to learn more about this specific business model, maybe the questions that you have that you're thinking like, okay, what about like legal side of it? What about the shipping? How does this all work? I explain much more in that 1-hour free course video. So all the questions that you're having right now are also answered in that video for you guys. I will link it on the screen and in the description box down below as well. You guys already know my YouTube channel is your #1 source for 100% free education and courses. And all I ask in exchange for the free education is just smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm and subscribe to my YouTube channel so I can continue to create free courses and videos just like this. Wishing you all the best with your online business ventures, and I will see you guys in my next free course. Bye everyone.